Yeah, what's the word, Freight fans? Freight guy here. Well, it's 9:30. I messed around on the board since 6 a.m. Several things pop up, and I was caller number 2, so I didn't win. Geez, I had so many opportunities. There was a load from Phoenix to Iowa, paying pretty good. There was a load from Nogales, Arizona to Houston, paying pretty good, and then there just happened to be a load in Tucson going to Houston I could have grabbed as a parcel and thrown on there. I made it really profitable, but always too late to call. So unfortunately, I'm having to deadhead to Las Vegas. Not horrible, but kind of puts me in a bad mood. And then I'm picking up a shipment going to Sioux Falls, South Dakota. So I'll be about 45 minutes from where my son is. So maybe I can pop into his town while I'm there and maybe have lunch with him or something like that. But yeah, man, a lot of stuff on the boards. I mean, I opened up my searches for 300 miles of origin. So I'm willing to make that kind of deadhead, especially if the price is right. I mean, there were 67 shipments on there. I would say maybe 60 of them are parcels. And crappy parcels. I mean, there's a shipment on there, 6,000 pounds. 17 feet, 6,000 pounds, going 2,200 miles for 450 bucks. That's awful, man. That is just awful. I hope nobody takes it. And I have seen it up there for at least a week and a half now. So I hope nobody takes it. I think that's the only way that you can encourage any kind of change here with the dilution of the market, the way I see it, is that you can't take that cheap shit unless it's absolutely just exactly maybe in the same town you're delivering something along those lines. I mean, I feel as though as a collective group of truck drivers, it's in our best interest to not facilitate those cheap rates and take shipments like that. I mean, it's not going to do you any good. It's not doing us any good. It's certainly not doing the broker or the customer any good ultimately, because all it's doing is diluting the market. And then freight just sits there forever. Well, one day, you know, the dilution is going to disappear and trucks are going to be hard to come around like they were a couple of years ago. And then people are going to pay, or are going to have to pay more. But they're going to be so in their mind that, oh, well, I've moved that for $450 in the past. Yeah, I know, buddy, but that's just not the rates today. I hope what I'm saying is making sense. Just, I don't know, I'm not going to be that guy taking the crappy freight. I'll tell you that right now. I try to stay at $1 a mile or more, especially if I'm even doing a parcel, $1 a mile or more. That way I can throw a couple things together and get it to that, you know, $2 range. I mean, that's my ultimate goal, right? Really hard to see or find any straight loads paying $2 that aren't oversized or something like that. And I personally, I don't really want to deal with that, so I haven't taken anything like an oversized load yet. I did see a load on there that I was tempted to do, moving an empty container. I saw a 40-foot one and a 20-foot one. Never moved a container like that. I'm not opposed to it. I'm just not quite sure. I don't know. I mean, do you strap that down on the trailer? What do you do with that? I mean, you see them go down the road, they usually have big straps on them, but those are the 4-inch straps. I mean, I just have 2-inch. I don't know. I don't know. That's something for me to think about maybe in the future. Maybe I'll take something like that. We'll see how it goes. But for now, I got a fresh clock. I'm heading straight to Vegas. Once I get to the shipper, I'll probably have to throw my brake in, get loaded up, and then start working my way north and east to Sioux Falls. I know there's been some nasty weather through there, so I'm not quite sure the best route to take. I see that there's interstate, I want to say it's 70 maybe, through Colorado. But I know I heard tow piglets say that sometimes gets a lot of snow on that road, so I'm not too interested in that. And then I know you can go up to I-80 and go through Wyoming on the way there, which is the way I've driven there when I took my boys out there. But I don't know, is that road in bad shape? I don't remember. I just remember blowing my motor on that road, so it's already got bad memories for me. So anyway, guys, my week is starting. It's Tuesday, December 3rd. I've got to be back home on, I think, Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. So that's what my plan is, because then we are heading to Green Bay, Wisconsin. Go watch the Packers and the Chiefs play. So that'll be a nice little treat. So I'm kind of looking forward to that. Flying out there, renting a car, staying. I think in Appleton's like 30 minutes away from Green Bay. I don't know. It's gonna be nice. Never been to a game in the cold like that, so that'll be interesting. But let's see what happens. So I'll be updating every single day. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit once I have this load on board. Hey, freight fans, you're not going to believe this. Actually, maybe you will. My load for South Dakota just canceled. I'm two and a half hours out of Phoenix and Wickiup almost here, and it just flipping canceled. That's 4 canceled runs in 4 business days, because it was last Monday that I got cancellation, and then now 3 this week. And it's only freaking Tuesday. What the hell is that all about? Wow, I'm beside myself. I don't even know what to say. Absolutely disgusted. Wow. Alright, well, that means that today's going to be pretty much wasted, because by the time I get back to Phoenix, it will be 3:30 again, and you know, everybody's going to stop shipping at that point. Flipping amazing, man. Alright, guys. This might be my last video of the day. If it is, deuces. If not, I'll pick it up with whatever happens next. Absolutely amazing. Talk to you later. Alright, freight fans, little update. Yeah, load canceled, so I decided to head back to Phoenix. Even though I'm halfway to Vegas, there's nothing going on in Vegas. There's like 6 loads posted, and all 6 are partials, and they all suck ass. So I'm heading back to Phoenix. We did just get a shipment to Dallas Fort Worth from one of our direct shippers. It's like $1 a mile. It's not very much, but I've seen several parcels heading down I-20 like that we can probably grab to take along the way to make it worth it. So yeah, so 0 for 3 this week, and it's only Tuesday at what, almost 1 o'clock. That's some bad luck right there. My only guess is that the big man above is, you know, trying to keep me out of certain areas, or I don't know. I believe in that. Everything happens for a reason, so there's got to be a reason it's occurring. And we will see. Maybe what'll happen is I'll get out there and find a good job finally. That pays something nice. I don't know. Stay tuned for more. This will be me. This will be it for me for the day. So, doses. Check in with you tomorrow. Hey, what's going on, freight fans? You're not going to believe this. Check out what I have. That's right, I have a shipment. It's only been just over 7 days since I've had a load on the trailer. That's how long it's taken to get another load. Absolutely amazing. This is a aircraft part. I'm not sure what the piece is actually, but an aircraft part of some sort. Picked it up after I lost that last job when it canceled on me. I came straight back to Phoenix and grabbed this. It's going to Fort Worth. I'll probably leave tomorrow with it. I'm gonna try to find something else to put on the back of it, of the trailer, that'll kind of fill this up if I can. We do have an opportunity for something going to Midland on the way there, so hopefully that pans out. If it doesn't, I'll just start looking for something else, because this one's in no hurry. This is it's a partial, right? So it is what it is. Also just had a bolt in my tire. So I brought the trailer back, disconnected, went and just got that fixed. Can't believe I've got 18,000 miles on these tires. These are these Firestone Transforce. This is what comes with the Dodge Ram. And we are down to level 3 already. I mean, you can see the wear lines already showing right there. I mean, it's just not very impressive. I did have these on the back, so it makes sense that they'd be a little more worn out than the other ones. So I put, oh, probably 16,000 miles with these on the back, and then 2,000 with them on the front. And these have a lot more tread left, but I'll tell you, I'll be glad to get rid of these tires when they are done. I'm gonna go to the Michelins. I've always had much better luck with Michelin. They just seem to last forever. But I think that's also one of the problems with having a non-dually truck pulling one of these trailers. I think these tires just wear quicker because of all the weight back there. Just pushing on those 2 tires instead of 4. So anyway, wanted to touch base with everybody, show that I got a load. So I'm no longer loadless or in my streak of canceled loads. So what that was 3. I had 3 straight canceled loads this week already. So I broke the streak. So we'll see what we can do with the rest of this week and early into next week, and see how much money I can make if I can catch back up, get back ahead after the last week and a half of pretty much crap. So anyway, guys, nice talking to you. Catch you tomorrow. Deuces.